How's it going, beardless brethren? Look at all the facial hair that I have. For all of you saying that I haven't had any facial hair in any of my past videos, well, you're right. But now you're wrong, because now I have some. I'm such a loser. I want that closed. I don't want you to see in my shower. Welcome to another video. I'm here to give you an update on my minoxidil journey. I'm on week 15, and I have 24 days of growth on my face. That's kind of nuts. That's over 3 weeks. I've never grown my hair for longer than 3 weeks. If you go back to my first video, you'll see a video of my hair at 3 weeks, and it's like 15 hairs all this length, but nothing like this. I've been told that I say the word gross far too much. Could be a drinking game of water. Stay hydrated. But I'll stop saying gross regarding my facial hair and actually be proud of what I'm growing. I'll shut up so you can look at my face. Come here, you. So what you're looking at is 24 days of growth on my 15th week of minoxidil. If you look at my past videos, you'll be absolutely amazed by how much growth is on my face. I'm still waiting for it to fill in on the top of my cheeks and under my chin for sure. I'm still attempting to learn how to line up the bottom, but I don't think I've quite gotten it yet. As you can see, it's kind of patchy, but it's gonna come in, and the longer it gets, the better I think it looks. My hope is to grow it for at least a full month and then maybe trim it, because I find the minoxidil actually sticks more to the hairs when it's this long. I see more and more vellus hairs every day, and I think it's gonna come in thicker and thicker every week. But since I'm in quarantine, I can actually afford to grow it out for a while with nobody judging me. I do have an interview for a job tomorrow, but I don't care. Thank you for sticking with me on this journey. I've always been self-conscious about my facial hair, and so actually being able to grow something is definitely helping my confidence, and I hope it does for you too. If you have questions, please leave them below, or feel free to watch my past videos where I might have answered them already. I have noticed how fast this channel is growing. We're basically already close to 500 subscribers, and that is mind-blowing. 500 people looking at my facial hair is a weird thing to think about, but I'm very grateful, and I love each and every one of you. Thank you for watching my videos. If you want to join the almost 500 people, please feel free to subscribe. Follow my journey where I share with you the tips and the tricks that I learn along the way. And I'm really excited to have you on board. Stay safe from COVID-19. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you at week 16. I don't know why my voice went lower. Sorry if my personality is too much. See you next time.